Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're going to explore how small business owners, like you, can actually use AI in 2025.
That's right.
It's not just hype.
Yeah,
There are practical, affordable tools that can make a real difference.
totally.
We're talking about AI giving you superpowers to work smarter, not harder.
Exactly.
Let's break this down. Think about your customer journey, attracting new clients,
Right.
converting them, closing deals, and keeping them happy.
hmm
AI is changing the game at every stage.
Well, what's fascinating is that AI can now handle tasks that used to be impossible for small businesses
Right.
due to cost or complexity.
Yeah.
Like personalizing the customer experience used to be a huge undertaking.
Yeah.
But AI is making it possible to do that at scale, even for small teams.
Yeah. Let's start with attracting new clients.
Okay.
Paid advertising is often a challenge. You're probably familiar with A/B testing,
Yeah.
but AI is taking things to a whole new level.
So instead of just testing two versions of an ad, AI can test hundreds of variations automatically, finding the most effective creative for your target audience.
Yeah.
It's like having a team of marketing experts working around the clock to optimize your campaigns.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
For example, there's a company called Ramp that uses an AI ads creator called Icon.
Interesting.
This tool not only generates a ton of ad variations,
Yeah.
but also matches businesses with relevant creators for even better results.
So you could create one video, and the AI could transform it into 20 personalized versions,
Oh, wow.
each featuring a different influencer who resonates with your target audience.
Wow. Talk about maximizing your reach.
Right.
If you're finding this deep dive helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and share it with your network.
Yes, please do that.
We're here to help you navigate the world of AI.
Absolutely.
We all know that content is king,
Yes.
but video is really the emperor these days. And luckily, AI is making it easier and more affordable than ever to create high-quality video content.
That's right. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are where it's at.
Right.
And AI is giving even the smallest businesses the tools to produce professional-looking videos. You don't need a huge budget or a fancy studio anymore.
And get this, AI could even handle those tedious tasks like creating captions and dubbing videos into multiple languages.
Oh, wow.
So you can reach global markets without breaking the bank.
That's incredible.
It's like having a built-in translation team.
Totally.
Now let's move on to converting those website visitors into leads.
Okay.
AI chatbots are becoming more and more sophisticated, offering a more human-like experience.
We're even seeing the rise of chat.
Multimodal.
Yeah, which means the AI can seamlessly switch between text, video, or even a live product demo right within the chat window.
Now I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that a little creepy?
I can see that.
But think about it from your customer's perspective. They get instant personalized answers to their questions and a guided tour of their product,
Right.
all without having to wait for a sales call.
It's all about providing a smooth and engaging experience for your customers.
Right.
They want information quickly.
Right.
And AI can deliver that in a way that feels natural and personalized.
AI can also personalize your email marketing campaigns. Instead of sending the same generic email to everyone,
Right.
AI can tailor the content, subject line, and even the call to action to each individual recipient.
And the results are impressive.
Oh, yeah.
We've seen cases where hyper-personalized emails have led to an 80% increase in conversion rates.
80%.
That's a huge jump.
Wow. Next up, closing deals.
Okay.
This is where AI can really act as your virtual assistant.
Imagine having an AI that researches potential clients, crafts personalized emails, and even makes follow-up calls.
Really?
It's like having a tireless sales team working 24/7.
Now, I know AI-powered voice calls aren't quite perfect yet,
True.
but they're getting there fast.
They are. And it's not just about calls and emails.
Okay.
Personalized video is becoming a powerful tool in sales.
Interesting.
There's a company called HeyGen that lets you record one video
Okay.
and then use AI to personalize it for each prospect.
So you can incorporate their name,
Yeah.
company logo,
Uh-huh.
and other details to make it feel like the video is made just for them.
Exactly.
It's a great way to stand out and build trust.
Definitely.
Closing the deal is just the beginning.
Right.
We also need to focus on delighting our customers and keeping them around.
Customer churn is a major headache for any business, and AI can help you understand why customers leave even if they don't tell you directly.
It's like having a detective on your team.
Yes.
Figuring out what went wrong
Right.
and how to prevent it from happening again.
For example, there are AI models that analyze customer emails and calls to uncover hidden reasons for churn. This gives businesses valuable insights to improve their products and services and keep their customers happy.
And of course, we can't forget about customer support.
Right.
AI-powered chatbots are getting better and better at handling basic questions, freeing up your team to focus on more complex issues.
Some companies are already using AI to handle over 25% of their support inquiries,
Really?
which is like having over 100 full-time employees dedicated to customer support.
All right, so we've seen how AI can impact every stage of the customer journey, but I'm sure you're wondering, how much is all of this going to cost?
Right.
Well, the good news is that AI tools are becoming increasingly affordable. You can find standalone solutions for as little as $100 per month, or you can bundle AI features into larger marketing packages.
And here's a tip.
Okay.
Some agencies are even giving away basic AI services for free to attract new clients
Really?
and then upselling them on more comprehensive packages.
Interesting.
So it's definitely worth shopping around and seeing what's out there.
Great advice. So thanks for breaking all that down.
Of course. It's amazing to think about how much AI can do for small businesses these days. It's like having a whole team of experts at your fingertips.
I know, it's mind-blowing. But with all this talk about AI, it's easy to get caught up in the hype.
Right.
So let's take a step back and talk about some of the potential downsides. What are some things we need to watch out for?
Well, one thing to keep in mind is that AI is a tool, not a magic solution.
Right.
You can't just plug it in and expect it to run your business for you.
Yeah.
It's important to understand how AI works
Right.
and use it strategically to support your goals.
Right. AI is here to help us,
Mm,
not replace us.
exactly.
It's like having a powerful assistant, but you still need to be the one making the decisions and driving the strategy.
Absolutely. And it's important to remember that AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If you feed it bad data, you're going to get bad results.
So garbage in, garbage out, as they say.
Right.
We need to be careful about the data we use to train our AI models and make sure it's accurate and representative of our target audience.
Absolutely. And it's also important to be aware of the limitations of AI.
Okay.
It's not a perfect solution.
Right.
And there are certain tasks that are still better suited for humans.
Like those tasks that require creativity,
Mm.
intuition, and empathy.
Right.
AI is great at analyzing data and automating processes, but it can't replace the human touch.
That's a great point. AI should be used to augment our abilities,
Right.
not replace them entirely.
Right.
It's about finding the right balance between human and artificial intelligence.
Speaking of balance, let's talk about the cost of AI.
Oh.
We've mentioned some affordable solutions, but what about those businesses that are on a really tight budget?
Well, the good news is that there are ways to get started with AI without breaking the bank. Many AI tools offer free trials or limited versions, so you can experiment and see what works for you before committing to a paid plan.
That's a great tip. It's like taking a test drive before buying a car.
Exactly.
You want to make sure it's the right fit for you.
And there are also a lot of free resources available online, like tutorials, articles, and even open source AI tools.
Wow.
You don't need to hire an expensive consultant to get started with AI.
So there's really no excuse for not at least exploring what AI can do for your business.
Exactly. And if you're finding this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your network.
Right.
The more people we can educate about AI, the better.
All right. So we've talked about some of the potential downsides of AI, like data bias and the importance of human oversight. But let's focus on the positive for a moment.
Okay.
What are some of the most exciting opportunities that AI presents for small businesses?
Well, I think one of the most exciting things about AI is its ability to personalize the customer experience. We've talked about personalized video and email marketing, but AI can also be used to personalize product recommendations, website content, and even customer service interactions.
That's right. It's all about making each customer feel like they're the only one you're talking to.
Exactly.
And that level of personalization can make a huge difference in building loyalty and driving sales.
Absolutely. And AI can also help small businesses automate tedious tasks. freeing up time for more strategic work. Think about all those hours you spend on data entry, scheduling appointments,
Right.
and answering routine emails.
It never ends.
AI can take care of all that for you so you can focus on growing your business.
It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps.
Exactly.
And it's not just about saving time.
Right.
It's about improving efficiency and accuracy.
Yeah.
AI can help you streamline your operations,
Yeah.
reduce errors, and make better decisions.
And as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will transform the way small businesses operate.
So it's really just the beginning of the AI revolution.
It is.
And it's exciting to think about all the possibilities that lie ahead.
It's a brave new world out there, and AI is going to play a major role in shaping it.
Okay, so we've talked about the pros and cons of AI.
Yeah.
And some of the exciting opportunities it presents.
Right.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay.
For those small business owners who are ready to dip their toes into the AI waters,
Yeah.
where should they start?
Well, I think the first step is to identify your biggest pain points.
Okay.
What are the areas of your business that are the most time-consuming,
Right.
inefficient, or challenging?
That makes sense. You don't want to just jump into AI without a clear understanding of what you're trying to achieve.
Exactly. Once you've identified your pain points, you can start researching AI solutions that can address those specific problems.
So if you're struggling with lead generation, you might look for an AI-powered marketing automation tool.
Right.
Or if you're spending too much time on customer support, you might consider an AI chatbot.
Right. It's all about finding the right tool for the job. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try out different AI solutions and see what works best for your business.
It's like trying on different hats until you find one that fits.
That's a great analogy.
And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to AI.
What works for one business might not work for another. It's all about finding what's right for you and your unique needs.
And it's important to start small. You don't need to implement a complex AI system overnight.
Right.
You can start with a simple tool and gradually scale up as you gain more experience.
Absolutely. Don't try to boil the ocean. Start with a specific problem you want to solve and find an AI solution that can help you address it.
And remember, AI is a journey, not a destination.
Right.
It's a constantly evolving field, so you need to be willing to learn and adapt as new technologies emerge.
That's a great point. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to try new things. The world of AI is full of possibilities, and it's up to you to explore them.
All right, so we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From the potential downsides of AI to the most exciting opportunities it presents.
Right.
But before we wrap up, I want to touch on one more thing, the human element.
I'm glad you brought that up. It's easy to get caught up in the technology and forget about the people behind it.
Exactly. While AI can automate many tasks, it's important to remember that building relationships and connecting with your customers on a human level is still crucial for success.
Absolutely. AI should be used to enhance human interaction, not replace it. It's about finding ways to use AI to make our businesses more efficient and effective while still maintaining that personal touch that makes us unique.
So it's not about humans versus machines.
Right.
It's about humans and machines working together to create a better future for everyone.
That's a great way to put it. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business, but it's up to us to use it responsibly and ethically.
One of the things I love about AI is its ability to level the playing field for small businesses.
I agree. In the past, only large corporations had the resources to invest in sophisticated technology. But with AI, even the smallest businesses can access powerful tools that can help them compete with the big guys.
It's like giving David a slingshot that can actually take down Goliath. And that's what makes AI so exciting for me. It's giving everyone a chance to succeed regardless of their size or budget.
It really is a game changer for small businesses.
And that's what we're all about here on The Deep Dive, helping you leverage the latest technology to achieve your goals.
Speaking of goals,
Yeah.
let's talk about how small businesses can actually get started with AI. I know it can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be.
Where do you even begin?
The first step is to educate yourself. There are tons of resources available online and offline, from articles and videos to workshops and conferences.
So do your research and learn as much as you can about AI and its potential applications for your business.
Exactly. And once you have a basic understanding of AI, you can start experimenting with different tools and platforms.
A lot of AI tools offer free trials or limited versions, so you can try them out before you commit to a paid plan.
That's a great way to get your feet wet and see what works for you.
And don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of AI experts and consultants out there who can guide you through the process.
You don't have to go it alone. There's a whole community of AI enthusiasts who are willing to share their knowledge and experience.
Okay, so we've talked about education and experimentation, but what about implementation? How do you actually integrate AI into your business operations?
Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose one or two areas where AI can make a significant impact and focus on those.
So maybe you start with automating your email marketing or using a chatbot to handle customer inquiries.
Right. And as you get more comfortable with AI, you can gradually expand its use to other areas of your business.
It's like building a house. You start with the foundation, and then you add the walls, the roof, and so on.
Exactly. And remember, AI is a journey, not a destination.
So be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, be open to learning and adapting along the way.
And if you're finding this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with your network. We're all in this together.
All right, we've covered a lot of ground today, but I think the most important takeaway is this. AI is no longer just for big businesses. It's accessible to everyone.
And it has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business.
So don't be afraid to embrace the power of AI. It could be the key to unlocking your business's full potential.
Absolutely. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own AI success story on the deep dive.
That's what we love to hear. Until next time, keep innovating and keep pushing the boundaries.
And remember, the future is powered by AI, but it's driven by human ingenuity.